friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 11th to the 17th over at Walgreens. And we have one freebie and a whole bunch of deals for cheap shampoo, body wash, and magic, and so much more. So earlier this week, I got this booster at the top of my digital coupons folder. 10 back when you spend 45. So much better than a 12 back when you spend 60. This is a very doable basket. One-time use and valid that week only. Online or curbside offer or in-store. You pick how you want to do it. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 11th. Just this is a reference point. We're looking at an ad, speculating on some deals, but everything will be published on the 11th. If you could also do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps me out and the channel. If you could take a quick second and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is a free 8x10 photo. If you use the code FREEPICK in the coupon code folder, you're going to do this as a curbside pickup and drive to the store and pick up your print using that code. It's one per store card. I didn't even have to pay tax. I think this is probably going to end on Saturday the 10th, but make that free print happen. First free item we're going to talk about starting on Sunday is the Crest products at $3 a pop. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, $3 reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of those products, that'll be exactly $6. Subtracting your 3 off 2 digital, that'll be loadable on Sunday. You're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making it free. Now, if you wish to do something a little advanced, why not use your $3 register reward from Garnier from last week? Throw that in, so you're just paying tax for the balance, and then you're going to get another $3 register reward. So that would be an even Steven kind of deal if you don't wish to do a booster basket that week. Just an idea. Alternatively, just use Walgreens cash. This deal is really interesting, and I love these deodorant sticks for the body. We have a $5 reward when you buy 2 and a 10 off a 2 digital coupon. I believe that's a loadable right now. Getting 2 of these deodorants, it's $21.98. Subtracting that really generous 10 off 2 digital, you'll pay $11.98 out of pocket, get back $5 reward, and then so it drops it down to $6.98 for the 2 or $3.94 per deodorant. I know IBOTTA has a rebate that's Walmart exclusive. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but if you're going to do this deal with that booster, I mean, $21.98, you're close to $40. This would be half of the basket, so it's a smart deal to throw into a booster. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is the Head & Shoulders shampoo for $6. I know a lot of you have a 5 off 2 digital. Unfortunately, I don't have that one, but if you do, it makes this deal really spectacular. Grabbing 2 of those shampoos at $6 a pop, it's $12. Subtracting that very generous 5 off 2 digital, you'll pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per Head & Shoulders. That is a stock-up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Here's another really interesting deal on the Old Spice, that cylinder sort of body wash. They're buy one, get one 50% off. $5 reward when you buy 3, and it says up to $10. So typically for these body washes, we're usually getting like a 10 off a 2 and then a $3 one. So we're going to assume that those will both reset. And then if you sneak over to your IBOTTA account, there's this rebate, and it doesn't exclude the use of a coupon. And that cylinder body wash is like smack dab in the middle. So you'll get $3 back. And then to show you guys, because I know a lot of you are going to say, it's Walmart only. If you go down below, Walgreens is the 3rd store listed. Grabbing 3 of those body washes, it's going to be $32.47. $13 in digitals melting off. Let's hope that other $3 one is there for us. You'll pay $19.47, get back a $5 register reward and $6 back from IBOTTA, making it $8.47 for the 3 or $2.82 per. And this would be an excellent, excellent, excellent item to grab with that $45 basket. Of course, if you're going to do it with a booster, you're going to have to pay debit for the balance. With no booster, you can use Walgreens cash. The next deal that we're looking at is with the Pantene. Haven't seen a Pantene deal in a while, so I'm happy that this is back. I'm a fan of the Pantene line. I think it's fantastic, especially the conditioners. I love this product. And I think it's from the same family as Head & Shoulders, or it's the same manufacturer. That's probably why I like it so much. Grabbing 2 of these is 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. A little $10 deal like this, the way that it balances out is fantastic also for a $45 basket. Okay, for all the parents or grandparents out there, if you're looking for diapers, this is a deal for you. The Pampers are going to be 2 for $21, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we can load. Grabbing 2 bags of the Pampers, it's going to be $21. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $18. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But as I've said 6 million times in this video, if you wanted to throw this in with the $45 booster, $21, I mean, it's a super smart move. You're halfway there. So, I mean, it's just a fantastic little dealio for some cheaper diapers. The next one we're going to look at is with the Gillette Foamy. As per the ad, it says Gillette or Venus shaving cream or gel. The Foamy is usually roped into this, and it's a $4 reward when you buy 2, so that piques my interest. If the Foamy is included, they're usually like $3.49 and some change. 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off would be $5.23. Getting back that $4 register reward, making it $1.23 for 2 or 61 cents per shaving cream. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. They have a sensitive skin one, and for a lot of ladies who are like, I don't want to smell like men's aftershave, I know that. The sensitive one is kind of like scent free. So if you can track down the one with like the light green around it, it just says sensitive. It doesn't really have like the men's aftershave scent to it. But of course, my sniffer isn't the best, but that's the one that I use because sometimes you don't want to smell like straight up men's cologne. So that's the one that I use. So just a little bit of info. I absolutely love when this deal rolls around. We have a bronze shaver for $24.99. And then you're getting back an $8 register reward when you buy it. So it makes that beautiful razor, shaver, whatever. It does everything for $16.88, which is definitely a stock-up price. We really haven't had a deal on a trimmer or a shaver in a really long time. So if you're looking for one, throw in some Walgreens cash, throw this into a booster deal. I mean, make it happen. We have the all for $5.49 with the $1.50 digital starting on Sunday. It makes the liquid detergent or the pods $3.99. So, you know, if you are all about the all detergent, this isn't the worst price. Let's look at some quick honorable mentions. The first is this 6 count of these apple juices by the Walgreens brand. $1.99 for 6. You know, if you're trying to stock up for those kids' school lunches, not the worst price point. We also have these Dorito bags. They're the larger bags, 3 for $9. Makes them $3 each. The original price for one bag at Walgreens is $5.99. I recently gifted this to a family member, and it's like I gave them 2 bricks of gold. They were so excited to get the Doritos. I think most people would be to get a bag of Doritos. We also have the buy one, get 2 for free on the Arm & Hammer laundry care. Typically, they price it at like $7.99 or $8.29 for the first, and then the other 2 are free, shaking it out to like $2.66 per laundry care product. So you tell me if that is a stock-up price for you. I prefer the $1.99 week, but in a pinch, it's not the worst deal. We also have the 4 for $10 for the second tier P&G laundry care products. So Tide Simply, the Gain, the Bounce dryer sheets, and then there's some sort of softener also that's in there. It makes it like $2.50 per product. If you have register rewards or Walgreens cash you really have a desire to use, I would definitely stock up on some of these wonderful laundry care products. Scott, $5. We have a clip coupon thing, so I'm wondering if there's going to be a $1 digital along with that $1.25 IVC, making these toilet papers $2.75. So we'll have to investigate that one on Sunday because I love cheap paper products. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.